Listen up. Right now, I want you to think about the number of Fridays you have left, the number of Monday mornings you're obligated to show up. How does that feel? For most people, it's a slow grind toward a distant, uncertain finish line. But what if I told you that the finish line isn't 30 years away? What if I told you that with a radical shift in strategy, not just saving pennies, but building an explosive wealth engine, you could be financially independent and walk away from any job you don't love in just 5 years? Not 50, not 30, not 20. 5. It's a tactical blueprint, a mathematical and behavioral framework I call the 2-3-5 Wealth Explosion Blueprint. This is not about getting rich slowly. This is about triggering a controlled, deliberate financial explosion that compresses decades of traditional growth into a single, powerful 5-year sprint. This is about freedom on your terms, and it starts today. Before we touch a single dollar, we have to detonate the mental prison. The single biggest obstacle to early retirement isn't income. It's a low savings rate and a passive timeline. The traditional model is broken. You work 40 years to save for 20 years of retirement, with your best years spent in a cubicle. The 2-3-5 blueprint flips this. You go into maximum overdrive for a short, defined period to buy decades of freedom afterward. This requires embracing 3 non-negotiable mindsets. First, you are not a consumer. You are an investor temporarily disguised as a consumer. Every spending decision is evaluated through one lens. Does this purchase bring me closer to freedom, or does it delay it? Second, you are not earning a salary. You are harvesting capital to fuel your engine. Your job is not your career, it's your current, most efficient capital farm. Third, time is not your friend, it's your accelerant. The next 5 years are not to be endured. They are to be weaponized with relentless focus. This isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. The temporary intensity of the sprint is what makes the subsequent decades of freedom possible. Now, let's break open the numbers. The 2-3-5 isn't a random slogan. It's the core architecture. The 2 represents your foundational fortress, living on 20% of your take-home pay. I can hear the objections now. Impossible. But you must understand the math of freedom. Financial independence is reached when your investment portfolio is roughly 25 times your annual living expenses. If you can live on 20% of your income, you are saving the other 80%. This means every single year you work in this mode, you are saving enough capital to fund 4 full years of your lifestyle. You are literally buying 4 years of future freedom for every 1 year of work. This is the explosive multiplier that changes everything. Achieving this 80% savings rate is the entire game. It's not done by cutting out coffee. It's done by demolishing the 3 biggest costs in your life: housing, transportation, and food. This means radical downsizing, getting roommates, or house hacking. It means selling the financed car and driving a reliable used one you own outright. It means mastering meal prep and eliminating restaurant spending. Your budget becomes a sacred document, a blueprint for your escape. The 3 in the blueprint is your growth trinity, the 3 concurrent wealth streams you must build and scale over the 5 years. Relying on a single salary is too slow and too risky. Stream 1 is your primary capital harvest. This is your main job, but with a twist. You are not working for promotions in a traditional sense. You are working for maximum, immediate cash conversion. This might mean shifting to a higher-paying industry, taking on lucrative overtime, or developing a specialized, high-value skill you can sell freelance on the side. You are optimizing this role for capital extraction, not for a gold watch. Stream 2 is your side business engine. This is not a hobby. It's a scalable system designed to generate profit with minimal ongoing time. This could be e-commerce, digital product creation, a niche service business, or leveraging a skill into online consulting. The goal is to build it to a point where it can replace 50 to 100% of your current necessary living expenses. Stream 3 is your compounding core. This is your invested portfolio, the machine that works 24/7. Every dollar from streams 1 and 2 that you don't need for your 20% living expenses gets ruthlessly funneled here into low-cost, broad market index funds. This isn't about picking stocks. It's about owning the entire productive engine of the global economy and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting while you sleep. These 3 streams feed each other in a powerful loop. Finally, the 5 is the structure of the sprint itself. The 5-year phased offensive. This is not a vague 5-year wish. It's a concrete, phase-by-phase campaign. Year 1 is the foundation and shock treatment. This is the year of brutal, unemotional cost-cutting to hit that 80% savings rate. You sell the clutter, downgrade the car, lock in the cheap housing. You also launch the first version of your side business, no matter how small. You are building the muscle and the systems. Year 2 is the optimization and ramp-up. Your budget is now a finely tuned machine. You focus on increasing income from your primary job, negotiating a raise, taking a higher-paying role. You scale your side business, reinvesting all profits to grow it. Your investment contributions become significant. Year 3 is the acceleration and diversification. Your side business should now be a substantial, reliable income stream. You might start exploring a third, passive income trickle, like royalties or affiliate marketing tied to your expertise. Your portfolio is growing visibly, and the compounding effect starts to become tangible. You are hitting your full stride. Year 4 is the transition planning phase. The finish line is in sight. You now run detailed projections. Based on your portfolio size and your side business income, you calculate your freedom number, the point where your investment portfolio can cover your 20% living expenses via the 4% safe withdrawal rule. You begin to mentally and strategically detach from your primary job. You might go part-time, take a less stressful role, or use the security to pivot your side business into your main focus. Year 5 is the launch sequence. This is the victory lap. You have reached or are within months of your target. You give your notice. You are no longer an employee. You are a full-time owner of your life, living off the combination of your side business cash flow and the dividends/withdrawals from your now substantial investment portfolio. The sprint is complete. You have crossed the chasm. Let's make this real with a hard numbers example. Imagine your take-home pay is $60,000 per year. The 2-3-5 blueprint demands you live on just 20% of that, $12,000 per year or $1,000 per month. Yes, it's extreme. This means your housing, car, food, insurance, and everything else must fit into that $1,000. This forces the radical decisions: a $400 roommate situation, a paid-off car with cheap insurance, a strict grocery and meal prep budget. The remaining $48,000, your 80% savings rate, is your fuel. In year 1, you funnel that into your investment portfolio. By the end of year 1, ignoring any growth, you have $48,000 invested. In year 2, you add another $48,000, but now your year 1 money has grown. Assuming a conservative 7% average annual return, your portfolio is now worth over $100,000. By the end of year 3, it's approaching $180,000. By the end of year 4, over $270,000. And by the end of year 5, your portfolio, fueled solely by your savings and compounding, is around $370,000. Now, 4% of $370,000 is $14,800 per year in safe, perpetual withdrawal. That's more than your $12,000 annual living expenses. You are financially independent, and this ignores any income from your scaled side business, which is the real accelerant. If your side business generates even $1,000 a month in profit, it cuts the required portfolio size in half, slashing your timeline dramatically. The obstacles will be immense. You will face social pressure, the temptation of lifestyle inflation, and moments of burnout. The counter to this is your freedom vision. You must have a crystal clear, emotionally charged vision of what your free life looks like. Is it travel, deep learning, building a homestead, creating art? This vision must be so vivid you can taste it. It gets posted on your wall. It's the screensaver on your phone. It is the reason you say no to a new car loan and yes to another freelance gig. You also need a monthly freedom calculation ritual. Every month, you calculate your total invested assets and multiply by 0.04, 4%. That number is your freedom salary, the income your money is now capable of generating for you forever. Watching this number grow from $50 a month to $500 to $2,000 to finally surpass your bare bones expenses is the most powerful motivational fuel in existence. It turns abstract finance into tangible, monthly progress toward your escape. Let's get brutally practical about the first week of this 5-year journey. Tomorrow morning, you don't go to work with a vague hope, you go with a mission. Your first task is what I call the financial triage. You will need 3 documents: your last 3 bank statements, your last 3 pay stubs, and every single monthly bill. You are not just looking at numbers. You are conducting an audit of your current life, identifying every single dollar that is not actively serving your escape. You will categorize every expense from the last 90 days into 2 columns: essential for survival and everything else. The everything else column is your enemy, and you will declare war on it. This is not budgeting. This is strategic resource reallocation for a singular objective. You will be shocked at what you find. The subscriptions you forgot, the impulse buys that added up, the premium cable package for a TV you barely watch. This triage creates your battlefield map. By the end of this week, you must have a written plan that shows exactly how you will achieve that 80% savings rate. This plan is your first military order in your campaign for freedom. Now, let's address the engine of your wealth explosion, your income. The 80% savings rate is a ratio. You can achieve it not only by cutting expenses to the bone, but by explosively growing the top number, your income. This is where most people on a frugality-only path fail. They grind themselves into misery. The 2-3-5 blueprint requires you to become a learning machine. Your free time in the first year is not for Netflix, it's for skill acquisition. You must identify the highest value skill adjacent to your current job or your side business idea and master it. This could be learning to code, mastering digital marketing, obtaining a high-value certification in project management or data analysis, or becoming an expert in sales copy. You are not learning for a degree. You are learning for immediate monetary application. You will use this skill to command a higher salary in your capital harvest job and to create a valuable offer for your side business. You are essentially building a personal brand of extreme competence that the market is forced to pay a premium for. This focused skill development is the rocket fuel that allows you to maintain a high quality of life even while living on 20%, because the 20% of a $150,000 income is a lot more sustainable than 20% of a $50,000 income. A critical, non-negotiable component is your freedom fund structure. You will not have one savings account. You will have a meticulously organized financial stack. First, a tiny buffer account with 1 month of your ultra-lean expenses, $1,000 in our example. This prevents small emergencies from derailing you. Every other dollar goes into its designated assault vehicle. The majority of your capital, every dollar from your 80% savings, flows automatically into your compounding core in a low-cost brokerage, invested in a simple set-and-forget portfolio like a total world stock market index fund. You do not touch this. You do not try to time the market. You are a relentless, unemotional machine feeding this engine. Separately, you will have a side business war chest. This is a smaller, separate account where you fund the initial costs of your side business. A website, initial inventory, software tools. This account is fed by windfalls, extra freelance income, or a small fixed percentage of your main savings. This separation is crucial. It prevents you from ever raiding your sacred compounding core for business experiments, and it gives your entrepreneurial venture the capital it needs to launch without debt. Finally, we must talk about the finish line itself, what true financial independence looks and feels like. This is not a life of permanent austerity on a beach. It's a life of radical choice. Your freedom number is calculated based on your controlled, lean expenses. But once you hit it, you have options. You can choose to continue working part-time on passion projects that might pay less but fulfill you. You can travel slowly and cheaply using geographic arbitrage to make your money go further. You can dive full-time into growing your side business into a major enterprise, now without the pressure of needing it to pay next month's rent. The goal is not to do nothing. The goal is to have the security to do anything. The 5-year sprint buys you the ultimate luxury, the ability to design the rest of your life around your values, your curiosity, and your contributions, rather than around a mandatory paycheck. This is the real wealth, not the number in the account, but the decades of waking up each day with autonomy and purpose, purchased by 5 years of unprecedented focus. The blueprint is the map. The decision to start is yours. Your future self is waiting. This is not a path for the faint of heart. It is a deliberate, intense, and radically focused 5-year campaign. It requires you to reject the default consumer script and embrace the identity of a financial freedom fighter. The 2-3-5 Wealth Explosion Blueprint, living on 20%, building your triple stream engine, and executing the 5-year phased sprint, is a formula for compressing time. It transforms the dream of early retirement from a distant someday into a scheduled event on your calendar. The question is no longer, can I retire early? The question you must answer now is, am I willing to be uncompromisingly focused for 5 years to own the rest of my life? Your freedom is a mathematical certainty waiting for you to execute the equation. The countdown to your last Monday morning starts today. Let's get to work.